Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. We are at home with Ursh, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most stunning charcuterie or cheese board that you can use for any occasion. It's a great festive one. We're doing it in a wreath shape, but you can use a square platter, you can use a round platter, rectangular, whatever tickles your fancy. So great to have a good selection of cheeses like your Philadelphia. Let's put that. First, you position your cheeses just so that we can get a nice layout and design on our board. Remember, we want to keep a wreath shape. So I have got 5 whole cheeses, cranberry cheese there. We've got a Gouda, we've got a Philadelphia, a mustard, and a camembert. Then we start building around our cheeses. So we've got some lovely grapes that we can just position like that. And you can see I'm keeping the shape of a wreath. We can put some grapes here. We also have strawberries. Strawberries and camembert always go well. We've got some cherries. So you can use any fruit that is in season. If not, cheese and oranges are in season, then what I do is just halve them so that you can see the segments, and that gives a lovely display. We also have some lovely cold meats, shaved smoked chicken, that we just fold almost to form like a rose shape. So you get those in, get them nicely curved. Some pastrami. These we can just roll up. And keep it interesting, so try and fold them over each other to give the look and feel of a wreath. Then we have our cold meat. We can add nuts. Nuts are always popular on a cheese board, so we add some nuts. You can see the whole time I'm following with the wreath shape. Some lovely chili cheese jam on top of our Philadelphia, because what is a cheese board without that jam? And then I've also got some of these baby bells that just add a little bit of interest. They add a pop of color, and they're nice as an individual serving. Lastly, we add some blueberries. Blueberries always make a cheese board pop. Just add them as and how we need them. They do tend to run away a bit, so just push them into place. For a little bit of a wreath feel, we're going to add sprigs of rosemary. So you can just add sprigs on the inside and the outside of the wreath to give it that lovely feel. And you can see already it's looking very festive. And maybe just a bit on the outside here, keeping in with the Christmas feel. We then have our wreath almost done. We are true South Africans, so a little bit of biltong as well. Can't have a cheese board without some biltong. These are just snapsticks, beef snapsticks that I've got. And then to finish it off, what we do is we actually take stacks of biscuits and place them in the middle at different heights. It just adds interest and variation, and it's not flat. I always say when you think about food, all food grows and it comes up from the ground. So when we do our cheese boards or plating of anything, I like to have height and different textures, and I think we can just pop a few in the center there. And voila, you have your Christmas wreath board.